Hi everyone, welcome to the class. Now I am teaching syntax analysis UGC NET exams syllabus. Syntax analysis has given associativity, precedence, grammar, transformation. Syntax analysis. These are the syllabus of UGC NET exams I have already taught in compiler design in GATE syllabus. Everything is there, but except these topics. That is why I mentioned in these topics in the same folder, so that if anyone is students interested for the UGC NET exams, so then you can watch it. Okay, and clear the concept also. Associativity. Associativity has two types: left associative, right associative. Left associative and right associative. When we require associativity, when same operator has given in the production rules. If same operator has given in the production rule, just like A plus B plus C, D equal to A plus B plus C. So that times which operator we will solve first. So that times we need the associativity. If I solve left side plus, so then it is called left associativity. Left associativity. If I solve B plus C first, A plus B plus C, B plus C, I solve, then it is called right associativity. In the UGC NET exams, questions as given, in the production rules as given, and then ask which associativity we will use it. Okay, if we use it in the left side, then also in the answers will come, and then afterward these are called left side, right. It is called associativity. Now come precedence. Precedence is also two types: higher precedence, lower precedence. Higher, lower. Higher precedence. Higher precedence when you will be solved first. Just like here is given. Whenever we are talking about the associativity, that times same operators. We are compare within the same operators. And if we are talking about in the precedence, so that times when we will generate the first parse tree, just like suppose A equal to B plus C into D has given. First we will generate the parse tree. So whenever you will generate the parse tree, so that first you will solve multiplication. Okay, then these multiplication C into D we will add to B. Write down P. You can write it left side also, otherwise right side also. Then plus it. And then afterwards we will equal to. A equal to is given. Write down equal to, and this side write A. This side write A. So then A equal to, this is the production rule. So now from these production rules, I am solving multiplication is in the last. So then it is called the higher precedence. Multiplication is higher precedence, plus is lower precedence. If we will compare equal to and multiplication, so then multiplication is higher precedence to equal to. If we will compare plus and multiplication, then also multiplication higher precedence than plus. We will compare like this. Whenever the questions as given, so that times questions as given in the production rules, you will solve it. Otherwise parse tree as given. It is the annotated or decorated parse tree. Abstract form of parse tree. If we will construct in the parse tree, so that times we will write C into D, like this we will write. Then afterwards, suppose I am writing here T1. Temporary variable we will generate it, and then afterwards we will add it to B, T1 plus B to T2, like this we will generate. This is the syntax tree, parse tree. Parse tree has given, and then afterwards we will ask what is the higher precedence or lower precedence of the any operators will be given. So then you will understand. So this is the higher and lower. And now we will check it in the grammar transformation. How to grammar transform it. In grammar, a transformation is a type of syntactic rule. Syntactic rule, that means syntax wise it is true or not, just like parse tree. Parse tree we will generate it, that times we will check if it is meaningful or not. That is the syntactic rule or convention that can be moved an element from one position to another position in a sentence. If through this sentence, if you will move from one position to another position, then it is called a grammar transformation. Just like as given. Suppose S has started A or A B, A to A or epsilon, B to B or epsilon. This is the grammar has given. If input has given to generate the parse tree AABB. Without generating the parse tree, we will through these grammars we will solve it by the sentence form. And it is the syntactic rule. This is the grammar and we will go to the sequential. Now if I generate A, so then definitely we can go AA, otherwise AB also, because starting letter is A has given. Suppose now I am taking S2 A B, one letter has generated. Now from B I want A, from B I want A. If I want A, I cannot generate it A here. Yes, it is B or epsilon. If I take epsilon, that means it only generates the only single output, only A. So this is the wrong. So then now we will go from AA. Now A to A, we can generate only to one single A. So then it is AA only will generate it. If I will connect it in, yes, if I do like this AAB or simply B, then AAB, because that is wrong. And that if I take this grammar AA or AB, it will be not generate this parse tree. It will generate only single A or two A's or only two A's will generate it. And if I will take BB's, so then only B together will not come. So that is why I will change the production rule. If I take AAB, so then A to A it generate A and B to generate only B or epsilon. So that is why through the A, from here also we can't generate it. Okay, let's change the production rules. A, B. So then through the A, we take A. We will now here also it is left and right. If I solve first letter, so then it is left associative. If I solve next in the last rightmost letter, it is called in the right associative. This is also. So then if I take this A first, so then A or then this B will come. And from this B, if input is only 2A, so then what will do? AA, B's form is what? I will not take B, I will take only epsilon. So this is the sentence form. Whenever we will elements we are moving from one position to another position in a sentence, it is called a grammar transformation. These are the topics left from the syntax analysis. I didn't cover it, so that is why now I have completed syntax analysis from the UGC and exams. Okay, and get syllabus already, and parse tree, your bottom up parse tree, top down parse tree, everything I have completed there. So you will go, and these parts is left, so that is why now I have completed. Thank you.